Winter storm warning in effect for 3 p.m. today until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the area. Where? In western Massachusetts, Berkshire, The Amazing Digital Circus, Jibo and Friends, and Jacob and Friends. When? For 3 p.m. today until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impact: snow may be very extreme and severe in the area. Otherwise, when you are in the outside, make sure to wear a boot, gloves and a hat when it's cold outside. Stay tuned for the latest updates. If something happens, if the winter storm emergency or blizzard warnings may be issued, to check for any storms, make sure to go to www.jacobandfriends.com for the latest severe weather or winter storm information. Stay tuned for more information.